TaiRox Extended Shipment Entry is a feature-packed replacement for the Sage 300 Shipment Entry screen. It provides increased functionality and faster access to shipments, orders, customers, and items. Let's launch the program to see what's been added to the standard Shipment Entry screen. I'll use the Order SmartFinder to look up the November order for Ronald Black. I'll enter Black Nov to find it. Notice that this works nicely because the SmartFinder searches a large number of shipment entry fields, and I previously typed the customer name and order month in the order reference field. I'll now ship the items on this order using the Ship button under the grid on the Extended Shipment Entry screen. The Ship button also lets you display items in picking sequence order, item number order, or by location, and filter them by ranges of shipment fields. Ship by picking sequence functionality is very useful when a large order has been picked and you have to record the picked items as shipped. It's far easier to match the entries from the picking slip if you list items in picking sequence order. Item selection can make it easier to record partially shipped orders, such as where all items with the same ship via code are in one shipment. You can select items by picking sequence, item, location, price list, category, ship via code, expected ship date, back order, or shipment details optional fields. Just click the Load button to display items in the order that you selected. Click the Ship All button at the bottom of the form to fill in the quantity shipped field for all items with the quantity on order. Click the Post button and the OE Forms pop-up appears to let you print forms. Shipment Entry also provides SmartFinders for looking up shipments and customers. For example, I could have used the Shipments SmartFinder to look up a past shipment for Ronald Black. And with the shipment displayed, I can use TaiRox's OE Forms button at the bottom of the screen to quickly print a number of shipment-related forms without posting or navigating to another window. Let's start a new standalone shipment, again for Ronald Black. This time I'll use the Customer SmartFinder to look up the customer number. You can see here that Extended Shipment Entry displays a set of customer optional fields right on the Shipment tab. This lets you view customer notes or shipping requirements. In this example, one of the fields shows that Ronald Black requires a PO number on orders and shipments. In fact, if I click the Post button, the program tells you that the PO number is required for Ronald Black's shipments. The program can also warn you if a PO number has been used on a previous order or shipment. You select these options, along with the optional fields that appear here, in the Productivity Tools Options program. I'll fill in general information on the shipment and then add some items. I'll click the Item Finder under the item grid to use a SmartFinder to look up inventory items. I'll enter Desk AC to see the list of desk accessory kits in inventory. I'll click the All Locations button under the grid to display item quantities at all of my inventory locations, including SAM Ltd locations and our affiliated SAM Inc. stores. You can display item quantities for every location at each affiliated company, or for a specific group of locations, for example, all locations in a specific region. The grid can alternatively appear at the bottom of the screen, or you can disable it. I'll ship the first item from location 1, then scroll through the shipment detail fields to a set of additional columns for margins, markups, and most recent costs. You can also see margins for the total shipment by clicking the Shipment Margin button. I have one more feature to highlight. To streamline picking slip printing, you can use the Settings choice on the Extended Shipment Entry file menu to select picking slip default settings so you don't need to answer these questions in a pop-up dialog box when you go to print. Select the first checkbox at the top of the form to change picking slip printing behavior. Choose the print destination, report form, and sorting order for picking slips, and choose other print options. These settings let you bypass the setup and picking slip print dialogues. That completes a quick look at Extended Shipment Entry, one of over 50 TaiRox productivity tools. Please visit the TaiRox website for more detailed information about productivity tools and other TaiRox products for Sage 300.